Hi, welcome to my biology workshop with me, Puan Rohaila. We are going to use trial paper from Kelantan for this Bengkel.
Which of the following organelle is matched correctly to its function? So, organelle, okay, and also dia tanya correctly matched to its function. Alright, so the first one, okay, gambar yang pertama tu, you tengok betul-betul. Okay, it look like what? Apa benda tu sebenarnya? So, ini tak boleh, jangan awak pula tak boleh. Kalian tengok lain lah. Alright, so for number 1, A. A, okay, you write down there dekat situ. A is actually, wait, kejap. A is chloroplast. So you write down, tulis kat situ A is chloroplast. Okay, so kita tulis. Okay, and then chloroplast, we know that the function for chloroplast, we can see the green down here. Okay, saya ada bagi bulatan kat situ. So function for chloroplast to absorb sunlight and convert, okay, chemical energy during photosynthesis. So I want you to underline the word chemical energy. So chemical energy here is, alright, the glucose. Sunlight and convert it to chemical energy. Okay, sorry. So sunlight, okay, it will convert to chemical energy. Here is the glucose lah. Boleh? Okay, and then next, number 2, B. For B is centriole. Okay, this is the structure for centriole. This one, number 2. Okay, this one is number 1. Okay, and then C. C is Golgi apparatus. Okay, this one, number 3. And then number 4 is mitochondria. Okay, so after you identify the structure, now we go to the function. Okay, so we know that, okay, chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, the function is to convert the sunlight energy to chemical energy. So, of course lah, you look at the function given to you. Salah kan? So, bukanlah jawapan dia because the question asks you to find the correct answer. Okay, and then centriole. So, centriole, what is the function for centriole? Okay, you tulis kat situ. Tak payah tulis lah, saya dah bagi tahu. So, centriole, the function is to form spindle fiber during the cell division. So, you tulis kat situ. Function for centriole, spindle, form spindle fiber. SPINDLE FIBRE. Okay, spindle fiber. Okay, so yang ni pun salah. Okay, next. C. C is Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus, look at the function. So look at the function in the slide there. So function for Golgi apparatus to process, modify, pack, and also transport chemicals such as protein. So look at the function given in the questions. Function for Golgi apparatus to modify protein. So correct. Okay, so the answer is C. Boleh? Boleh Okay, next. Okay, question number 2. Alright, diagram 1 show a paramecium species live in fresh water. Okay, so which part label A, B, C or D is not functioning will causes the paramecium burst. So you underline the word burst. Dia pecah. Okay, so which one yang akan menyebabkan dia pecah? Okay, look at the slide yang saya share tu, the theory, under the theory. Okay, so kita tengok beberapa keadaan. Okay, psyllium. Psyllium ni apa? So psyllium tu like macam bulu-bulu di bahagian tepi tu. Okay, the leg. Okay, so psyllium is a hair-like hair-like structure, and then the function for the psyllium or cilia is to swipe in the food. Boleh? So This is the function for cilia. So cilia dalam kertas tu ialah B. So tulis kat situ B tu, B ni is a cilium. Double L ke apa? Sorry. Okay, so B is cilia. Write down. Tulis sikit. Kita discuss sambil tu kita buat revision. Okay. And then next. Okay. C. Okay. C tu apa? So C ini ialah sama dengan yang ini. So C ialah nucleus. So write down. C is nucleus. Sudah? Okay. And then, alright. So nucleus, what is the function for nucleus? Of course, to control the cell, isn't it? And then next, okay, what is A? Okay. A ni ialah apa? So, A is this part. You tengok. Dalam kawasan dia macam bentuk star. It look like a star. Betul tak? So, A is this one. This is A. Contractile vacuole. So, you can write down there A is contractile vacuole. C-O-N-T-R-A-C-T-I-L-E-V-A-C-U-O-L-E. So contractile vacuole for A. So what is the function for this contractile vacuole? So you look at the top there. Okay, contract out excess water from the cell. So katakanlah this contractile vacuole ni rosak ataupun sudah is not function. So it cannot spill out the water, go out from the paramecium. So because of this, okay, contractile vacuole is not function, then yes, it may lead the paramecium to burst. Understand? So the answer is A. Boleh? Janganlah sebab you betul sebab you tembak. Saya harapkan you betul sebab you understand the concept or the theory behind the questions. Boleh? Okay, next. Number 3. Okay, look at number 3, question number 3. So, diagram 2 show a type of tissue in human. So, underline the word type of tissue in human. Adik fikir rumah apa, Mak? Rumah payah. Rumah payah. Okay, so tissue in human. So, what you see the diagram 2? Diagram 2 ni ialah blood. Betul tak? So, blood actually is a one type of tissue in human. Okay, so you tengok gambar yang sebelah yang saya share teori tu. Okay, like say this is the blood vessel. Okay, salur darah. Okay, so what happen when you cut the blood vessel? So blood will come out. You akan nampak by using your eyes, you can see the blood is red in color. So you just say that is a blood. Okay, betul. But in reality, the truth is blood contains a few other things. So what are the few other things too? Okay, so you can look at in the diagram there. Okay, actually in the blood, okay, the composition of the blood, we have red blood cell, this part. Nampak tak yang saya bulat tu? Oh, dia hanging, dia lambat sikit. Uish. Okay, so this is the red blood cell. Okay, and then the the purple color yang ini. Okay, the purple color, this one is the white blood cell. So, sama juga. Okay, you tengok gambar dekat buku you. So, this one. Okay, this one is red blood cell. Tulis sikit. Jangan malas. Guna pen, pencil, write down. Okay, and then how you know that is a red blood cell? Because red blood cell doesn't have nucleus. And the shape for the red blood cell is the biconcave shape. Okay, next. This one, yang ada nucleus ni. Okay, seems like the purple color here. Yang sini, dua ni. Okay, this is white blood cell. Boleh? Okay, and then next. Okay, this one. Yang kecil-kecil, square ni. So, this is this one. Kalau tengok dari gambar yang saya share tu, this is platelet. So, tulis sikit. Platelet. Sudah? Okay. And the dot tu apa benda? Is it dust? No. That dotted tu is referring to the plasma. Okay, this one, plasma. So we have learned before, blood, the composition of blood, there are two. Okay, ada yang solid and also liquid. Ada gas ke? No. Okay, so for the blood, there are two type of matter, okay, which are solid and liquid. For the solid, okay, you tulis kat situ, kat dalam buku tu, okay, you tulis blood, okay, there is a solid part and also liquid part. Okay, so for the solid is red blood cell, okay, white blood cell, and also platelet. Okay, for the liquid is the, sorry, dah terconteng sikit, is the plasma. Okay, boleh? Okay, so the questions ask you, alright, which of the following cell is found abundantly in the tissue? Okay, so mana satu jawapan dia? Of course lah, you nampak what colour. Kalau you, let's say you having cut, so you can see the red colour. So it's showing that paling banyak sekali is a red blood cell. Boleh? Bukan plasma. Plasma tu ialah okay, liquid lah. Alright. So next. Okay, question number 4, still page number 3. Okay. So, okay, number 4. Why preservation of green chili using vinegar? Okay, so I want you to underline the word vinegar. Sudah? Okay, so vinegar, can you tell me what is the pH values? Okay, what is the pH for the vinegar? So vinegar is acid. So the pH is lower. Betul tak? Okay, so what is the relationship between the preservation and also vinegar? Why we cannot use tap water? Kenapa kita guna vinegar? Adakah okay, we say that we want to having a sour green chili? No, there is another reason. Okay, so first A, why preservation of green chili using vinegar? Vinegar has high pH. So salah lah, because we already write down there pH is lower. Okay, and then water diffuse into green chili. Saya takut you all terpilih yang ini. Okay, so kalau you tengok balik, water diffuse into green chili tissue. Okay, so in vinegar, solution is more, solute is higher compared the water. So, vinegar, if you compare vinegar dengan chili tu, which one is hypotonic, which one is hypertonic? So, sebenarnya water diffuse out from the green chili into the vinegar. So, dia terbalik. So, salah lah B. Boleh faham And C, vinegar prevent bacterial growth in the chili tissue. Yes, correct. Kenapa? So, you tengok sebelah sini. Yang warna grey itu. Okay, condition for the bacterial growth. Okay, there are a few conditions that will allow the bacteria to grow. First, food. Okay, bila ada food yang okay, dia boleh makan lah. Okay, and then the pH level. Okay, so you tengok bacteria, okay, grow best in the neutral pH. Okay, and then, alright, they cannot survive below pH 4.7. Means that in acidic condition, bacteria cannot survive. That's why lah we use vinegar. So the answer is C. Boleh? Okay, next. Okay, question number 5. Okay, diagram 3 show a graph the changes in mass of potato strip immersed in different concentration of sucrose solution. Okay, so ingat we have hypotonic, isotonic, hypertonic. Okay, so for the hypotonic, okay, hypotonic means that, okay, let's say the cell, okay, in this case, we are using potato. Potato is the plant cell. So, in plant cell, okay, Kalau hypertonic, so the solution, okay, the water will enter into the cell. Kalau isotonic, the water diffuse in and out at the equal rate, sama. And then hypertonic, dia akan water will diffuse out. Okay, sekarang dia tanya, what is the solution at X, Y, and Z? So you look at the graph. So X, okay. So X, okay, you tengok mass dia. Dia cerita pasal mass. Okay, X mass dia dekat sini you tengok. Starting here is, sinilah kan this column. X ni mass dia berat. The potato mass is quite heavy lah. So dia berat. So maksudnya dekat sini ada banyak water go into. Betul ke water go into? Water diffuse into. Okay. And then Y here. At this one, sama. So equal. So this one should be isotonic. And then Z di bahagian sini. So, okay, more water diffuse out. Sebabkan more water diffuse out, the mass will be dropped. So, the answer is C. Boleh? So, you look at here, lebih kurang sama lah. Okay, so yang ini potato osmosis experiment. Kita tak buat guna potato, kita buat guna apa yang hari tu saya tak ingat. Okay, so next. Number 6. Okay. Diagram 4 show process that occur in human digestive system. So underline the word digestive system. Okay. So this is what? Apa benda panjang-panjang ni? So you tuliskan this is polypeptide chain. Tolong tulis. Okay. Polypeptide chain. Okay, polypeptide chain ni actually come from where? Come from the protein. So the protein you eat is in the polypeptide chain. That's why you need digest the protein. Okay, so polypeptide chain, it will be, dia akan pecah. It will be split, okay, by dengan adanya water. So it's become, in your questions, P is referring to. Dua saja. So, to, okay, is, okay, to what? This is the amino acid lah. Kalau protein, dia akan protein will be digest, lastly it will become amino acid. So, if the amino acid still have bond here, so it's considered as a dipeptide. Sebab dia ada dua je. Okay, so the answer is B. Kalau 3 is tripeptide. Kalau there is no bond, it become amino acid. Boleh faham? So, dipeptide, is it the simpler ataupun is it the the simplest digested protein? No. Okay, need to go under another digestion, it become amino acid. Okay, next. Okay, for number 7. Okay. So, dia tanya. Okay. Okay, all these are be found in the food. Organic compound ni been found in the food. Okay, we have maltose, sucrose, lactose. So, dia tanya. All organic compound is made up from what? Made up. Maksudnya basically dia diperbuat daripada apa? Okay, the basic is what? So look at this. Tengok gambar sebelah tu. Okay, so maltose, sucrose, lactose, all these three are considered disaccharide. Disaccharide maksudnya dua. Di, okay, is two. Okay, so what is the basic unit? Okay, for these three, maltose, sucrose and lactose. So you tengok, semua pun warna biru. Betul tak kat sini? So, warna biru ialah glucose. So, the organic compound that made up all these maltose, sucrose, lactose actually is a glucose. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Boleh faham? Okay. Next, number 8. Okay. Diagram 5 show the enzyme and 2 different substrate. Okay, so we have substrate X and substrate Y. So which of the following is the correct product? So you underline the word product. Dia tanya product. Okay, before we go to the product, we need to know the theory. So the theory is lock and key model. So lock and key model say that, okay, this is the active site. Ni ialah active site. Tolong tulis sikit. Okay, this is the active site. So the active site, okay, mesti compatible dengan substrate punya structure. Okay, so you look carefully this area. Okay, match dengan yang mana, X ke dengan Y? Of course lah X. Kenapa bukan Y? You look at the Y. Y is macam dia ada sharp. Okay, it look like pentagon there. So salah lah. So of course lah Y pun salah. So we go for the X. Okay. So and then okay, you tengok. Kalau dia tanya product. So product maksudnya selepas, okay, after enzyme combine with the substrate, it become enzyme substrate complex. And then it will release product. So product tu of course it will it look like splitting two lah because dia product kan. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? Adakah B? No. Kenapa B salah? Sebabnya B doesn't look like a product. It look like a substrate. Okay. So A salah juga. Sebabnya you look at this shape. D pun sama je sebenarnya. A yang ini pun sama, dia macam sharp. Okay. For B, for donkey, ini betul dah. Yang ini salah. So the answer is C. Faham? Boleh? Okay, next. Question number 8. Number 9. Alright. Diagram 6 show a stage of meiosis 1. So underline the word meiosis 1 in testes of an animal cell. Okay, how many number of chromosome in sperm cell, okay, if chromosome X fail to separate? Okay, berapa? So you look at the chromosome X, this one. So sebelum tu, tengok dulu yang non-disjunction tu. Okay, for non-disjunction tu saya tunjuk. Okay, for non-disjunction tu, okay, we can see that supposedly this happen. Yang ini yang sepatutnya berlaku. Okay, but, okay, non-disjunction happen maksudnya during the splitting of cell. During what phase? Metaphase? Anaphase? Apa? You ingat cell division. P, M, A, T. P, pak. M, mat. Pak, mat. A, ada. T, apa? Television. Contohlah, telefon. Okay. So, during which phase? Anaphase splitting happen kan? Dia akan pergi, the chromosome tu, dia akan split to the other side. So, it's not happen. So, apa yang berlaku ialah, okay. So, you look here, dia tak split this one, the blue colour. So, dia jadi dua saja macam ni. And then dia tanya, okay. So, sekarang ni ialah dua. Betul tak? Dua. Okay, sekarang ni come the trick for this question. How many number of chromosome in sperm cell if chromosome X fail to separate? So, sperm cell. Sperm cell maksudnya dia akan jadi, okay, dia akan jadi, dia fail separate, so dia akan jadi berapa? 3 lah. Boleh faham? Faham tak? Okay. Sekejap saya pindah pun. Ni 3. 1. Sekejap How many number of chromosome in sperm cell? If chromosome X fail to separate. Sekejap. Okay, tak apa. Nanti kita bincang balik yang ni. Saya dah macam confused sekejap. Okay, so next. Question number 10. Okay, before we take 1 minute for break. Okay, so question number 10. Alright. It show the longitudinal section of the root tip. Okay, so we have zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. So what are the name for this zone? So you tolong tuliskan sikit dekat situ. Zone 1 is zone of maturation. Okay. Zone 2 is zone of elongation. And zone 3, zone of division. Zone 4 is a root cap. So tolong tulis. Okay. And then now, which zone, the question asks you, which zone undergo mitosis? So mitosis is a division lah. Isn't it? So which zone undergo mitosis is a zone 3. So the answer is C. Boleh? Okay. Alright. So bagi saya beberapa saat untuk saya minum sekejap. Okay, so you sementara tu you baca dulu yang saya share dekat slide ni. Saya datang sini. Okay. Okay. Alright, so continue. So what I share here. Remember, you feel sad remember pula. Whenever you feel sad, just remember that there are billions of cells in your body. And all that billion of cells are care about is you. So tak payahlah sedih-sedih sangat. Okay, tak kisahlah apa-apa berlaku pun, you just be happy. Alright? Walaupun fail, tak apa, happy je. Okay, still ada peluang lagi. You still have chance. Okay. Alright. Next, questions number 11. Okay, boleh? Okay. Which of the following statement is correct about importance of mitosis? So underline the word importance of mitosis. So mitosis untuk apa? Okay. Don't get confused. Don't get confused with mitosis and meiosis. Okay, so for mitosis, look here, the theory there, okay, is for growth, okay, and also repair and replacement. Like say you having cut at your epidermis, so means that the cell is already damaged. So you need your body will do repairing. Repairing is involved mitosis process, and also for the asexual reproduction, for the cloning. Contohnya ialah bacteria. Okay, bacteria doesn't have meiosis. So dia splitting. So dia undergo cell division, which is known as mitosis. Okay, so which one? Okay, so which one? Important of mitosis, is it produce variation? No, variation is meiosis. Tulis sikit. Okay, growth. Yalah, betul. So the answer is boy. Boleh? Gamet. Salah lah, gamet mestilah meiosis. Okay, produce two daughter cell with a pair of chromosome. Ni salah. Okay. Okay, next. Question number 12. Okay, question number 12. Right. Diagram 8 show the phase of a cell cycle. So you underline the word cell cycle. Saya rasa you dah lupa ni, form 4 punya ni. Okay, cell cycle tu not only mitosis, meiosis tu. Salah Okay, cell cycle there is a G1 stage, S, G2 and M stage. So ini ialah one whole cycle for the cell cycle. Okay, so what is G1, S, G2, M? So look at this theory. So G1, this part. Nampak tak yang paling besar sekali ni? Okay, so G1 is the growing process. And then S is the S for synthesis, the DNA synthesis. Okay, if you go for college later, you are going to learn about the DNA replication. All that is under S process. Okay, for your level, school level, just focus M phase. Okay, and then G2 is the another growth, and this is the for the preparation of the M. M is what? M is mitosis. So dekat sekolah you hanya belajar sikit ni saja. You go college later, you are going to learn another lah detail. So, which of the following phase of cell cycle is matched correctly? So, M, synthesis of organelle. Apa ni? Salah lah. Organelle tu maksudnya yang dalam in the cell. Okay, contohnya we have mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, that is the organelle. Is it during the M, mitosis is the making of this organelle? No. So salah. Okay, and then G1 is the accumulation of energy. Tak ada pun kaitan. G1 is the growth. Okay, so salah lah. So S, synthesis of DNA. Yes, betul. So the answer is C. Okay, G2 cell division ni salah lah. Cell division dekat M phase. Boleh? Okay, next. Question number 13. Okay, nampak pula keluar dekat depan ni. Okay, so diagram 9 show Malaysian Healthy Plate Campaign quarter half. Okay, siapa yang nak sihat, tolong ikutlah campaign ni. Follow this campaign. Okay, then you will say thank you to Malaysian Health Plate Campaign. Yes, okay. So, pinggan sihat ni apa? Oh, gambar you hitam ke? Saya punya gambar hitam juga. Sama ke? Okay. So, this part, okay, tulis sikit ni, ialah ikan. Nampak ke? Saya tak nampak je. Nampak kot? Okay, ikan. Ikan. Daging. And then this part is bahagian bawah tu nasi, mi, roti. Okay, and then this part yang besar sikit, fruits and also vegetables. So, which of the following food class should be taken most? Yang paling banyak sekali kena makan yang mana? So, dia bagi fruits and also vegetable. So, fruits and vegetable is not the food classes. It's a type of food. Okay, so we have 7 classes of food. You ingat tak? Okay, so this is, look at here, di bahagian kiri, bahagian kanan, sorry. So this is the vegetables and also fruit is considered as a fiber for the vegetables, vitamin for the fruit. So the answer is most taken. Okay, kita need to take taken most is the A lah, this one. So sayur dan buah-buahan is a fiber. Okay, next. 14. Okay, soalan 14. The following information is about amino acid. So underline the word amino acid. Okay, so excess of amino acid, okay, are broken down in the liver. So katakanlah you love to eat protein, is it good? No, tak bagus juga sebenarnya. Sebabnya nanti dia akan ada inflammation lain lah. Okay, so what will happen in our body kalau you take a lot of amino acid? Amino acid is come from the protein. So apa jadi? Okay, it will broke down. Okay, dia akan digest semua and then it will broke down in the liver. So what happened and what is the process? Why? Proses apa tu? Okay. So, you tengok sini. Memanglah dah ada jawapan dia. Sabar. Okay. So, you tengok. Nampak ke slide tu? Okay. Okay. Protein. Number one. What will happen? So, protein food intake. You makan banyak protein food. Okay. Protein in food is taken into the alimentary canal. So, nampak tak yang ini ialah protein. Ingat tadi gambar tadi yang chain panjang tu ialah that is a polypeptide. And then the polypeptide will be broken down. Dia akan be digest. Okay, so it be digest become, so this is polypeptide. It will broken down into amino acid lah because it's single. So this amino acid, okay, dia dah jadi amino acid, and then the amino acid will be absorbed into the blood. So you can see here, it absorbed to the blood into the bloodstream, and then will go to the liver. So this purple color yang ini, this one is a liver. So amino acid will be taken to the liver, and then sampai the liver, when there is in the liver, what will happen? So amino acid that are needed will be released into the circulation. Like say your body need amino acid. So some of the amino acid which is here, okay, nampak tak? Will be released out. Dia akan keluar lah. It will be released out to your body. Then your body will use that amino acid. But okay, let's say from this diagram lah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 2 amino acid needed. 2 box. So we still have another 4 amino acid. So this 4 amino acid nak pergi mana? Where this amino acid will go? Dia akan pergi under another process which is known as deamination. So what happens? So amino acid, look at here. Number 5 here. Nanti saya akan hantar slide ni Okay, amino acid that are not needed will undergo deaminated. Okay, which is we convert into, dia akan jadi deaminated into carbohydrate and also ammonia. So dia akan jadi carbohydrate and ammonia. Okay, and the ammonia will convert into urea. So urea, does your body need the urea? No. So this urea will be excrete from your body through the sweating, through the urination. So this urea, okay, will be excreted, and amino acid to the, okay, urea will be excreted. Okay, urea tu akan be excreted lah. Boleh faham? So this is the way how to remove the excesses of the amino acid. Okay, but you look there, amino acid at the end they convert jadi carbohydrate juga. So still can give energy. Understand? So all this process is known as deamination process. Boleh faham? Okay, so what is the process X? Is a deamination process. Boleh? Okay, next. Question number 15. Okay. Right. The equation show a reaction during photosynthesis. Okay, what is X? So hydrogen ion plus X become glucose and water. So look at the theory. So the theory is say what? Okay, hydrogen ion, okay, plus become glucose and also oxygen. So we have hydrogen ion here. Hydrogen come from, the hydrogen ion actually come from the water. Water H2O. So means that water has hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion from the water will react with X. So what is X? X is carbon dioxide. So the answer is donkey. Boleh? Okay, next. Okay, this one nanti you boleh tengok Okay. Alright, next question 16. Okay, question 16. Alright, the following show the result of the The following show the result to determine the percentage of vitamin C in guava. Okay, so we have the volume of DPAP solution. Okay, we have the volume of guava juice and also volume of 0.1% ascorbic acid to decolorize 1 ml of DCPIP. Okay, so calculate the percentage of vitamin C in guava juice. So you just use this formula. So you akan dapat C, 0.15%. Okay, next. Diagram 10 show the two classes of food. So what is X? X is carbohydrate and Y is protein. So, okay, what is the health problem caused by taking too much of this food? So, kalau karbohidrat dia akan jadi obesity. Protein dia boleh lead to gout. Okay, so gout dekat X, salah lah. So, sini. So, the answer is C. Boleh? Alright. And also another disease lah for carbohydrate is diabetes mellitus. Okay, next. Question 18. Which of the following is an effect of malnutrition? Okay. So malnutrition, which one is the malnutrition? Is it goiter? Okay. Is it colorblind, dwarf, dystrophy? So colorblind ni tak ada kaitan. Colorblind you have learned in variation kan dengan genetic. So adakah kaitan dengan malnutrition? No. Dwarf? No. Is related to the hormone. Dystrophy, muscular dystrophy, that one is related to the genetic. So, the answer is a goiter. Okay. Alright, next. Question number 19. Okay. Diagram 11 is a table show the composition of 4 samples of air. Okay, which of the samples show exhale air? So, exhale air, this is the percentage. Okay. So, which one is the exhale air? So, the answer, okay, should be, okay, the carbon dioxide increase. Tengok tak? Yang ini dua ni, carbon dioxide dia sikit. So, we inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon dioxide. So, exhale mestilah carbon dioxide tu the higher percentage. So, yang ni salah lah. So, the answer is, okay, either C or D. So, now, okay, if you notice, bila you, okay, you look at the water vapor for exhale is saturated. So, the answer is C. Boleh? Next. Question number 20. Okay, which of the following equation is correct about respiration of the part of the paddy plant which is submerged in water? So, paddy plant ni, you letak dalam air. Kita tanam pokok paddy dalam air kan? Okay, what will happen? Alright, so paddy plant is adapted to the growth with its root submerged in water. Look at down there. Okay, and then in the absence of oxygen, the cell of root is waterlogged and alcoholic fermentation will happen. So anaerobic respiration. Boleh? So which one? Alcoholic fermentation yang ada ethanol. Ada tak yang A? Tak ada. C pun tak ada. D pun tak ada. Ethanol is the alcoholic. So the answer is boy. Boleh? Okay, next. Okay, this one. Selingan. Okay. I wish I was adenine because when ID be paired with you. Okay, look here. Okay, you belajar sebelum ni dengan saya dalam kelas. I say that there are 4 base for the DNA which are adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, cytosine, C. Adenine will pair with thymine. Guanine will pair with cytosine. All these pairings only happen in DNA. Okay, but when come to RNA, okay, there is no thymine. So thymine ni dah tak ada. In the DNA in the RNA there is no thymine. So thymine will be replaced with the U. U here is referring as the uracil. So A adenine, of course it will pair with U. U in this is a uracil. Boleh faham eh? So kita tambah juga information lah. Okay, next. Question number 21. Okay, ready? Okay. Diagram 12 show an experiment to investigate, underline the word, fermentation of yeast. So, which of the following cause lack of oxygen? You underline the word lack of oxygen. Which part of the which kind of the apa panggil apparatus materials yang you guna tu will cause the lack of oxygen? Is it thermometer? Tak ada kaitan. Okay. Is it the cotton? Of course lah. Sebabnya the oxygen come from outside. Can the oxygen come into? Mungkin lah ada sikit-sikit kan. Okay. Okay, boleh. And then oil layer? Yes. Okay, oil layer dia akan cover all the surface, the top surface of the water. So this will prevent the oxygen from entering to the water. Okay, so the answer is donkey. This one. Okay, which is okay, satu lagi terlupa. This one. Okay, water. The water used is the boiled glucose. Kenapa kita boil? So when you boil, you remove the oxygen. Okay. Okay, oxygen, jangan kata H2O tu, bukan. You tak remove yang oxygen yang H2O tu, but there is the oxygen yang dalam water tu been trapped, so you remove. So you boil the water. So the answer is the boiled water and also oil layer. So the answer is donkey. Boleh? Okay, next. Questions number 22. Alright. Diagram 13 show a part of respiratory structure of human. What is the characteristic of human respiratory structure for survival in his habitat? So you look here. This is the alveoli. Tulis sikit. So alveoli, dia kecil-kecil. Dia small, very small. It look like macam biji grapes. Tapi grape besar. Dia very small lah. Okay. So what is the adaptation? Okay, adaptation here. Ziwe, nak cakap apa-apa ke? Ada nak tanya soalan ke? Tak ada.
Ada. Sorry, cikgu. Saya tekan salah. Sorry, cikgu.
Oh, okay. Alright, so alveoli, what is the adaptation? So, first you look here. You look the jawapan. Okay. Has a few layer of epithelial cell. Ada ke? Is it sure ada a few layer? No, there is only one layer. Satu je. Okay. And then narrow respiratory tract. Narrow. Bila narrow, is it help for you to survive? No. Okay. This narrow respiratory tract ni, this is what the COVID-19 punya coronavirus tu buat dekat respiratory structure. Okay. Make the respiratory tract become narrow, so that patient will having difficulty in breathing. So that is caused by this COVID, coronavirus. Okay. And then able to expand and contract. Are you sure the alveoli expand and contract? No, the expand and contract ialah You punya chest tu kan? Okay. And then has a greater surface area, so the answer is donkey. Boleh? Okay, next. 23. Which of the following condition will increase the breathing rate? Okay. So, standing at sea, you just look at the sea? No. Driving a car? No. Listen to the radio? No. Swimming in the pool? Yes. Okay, so vigorous activity cause the rapid breath. For example, running and fast swimming. Okay, next. 24. Okay, this one. Alright, diagram 14 showed organism R, S, and T. So R ni apa? So write down R. R is orchid. Okay, R is orchid. So S is Rafflesia. T is fungi. Okay, the mushroom. Okay, so orchid is a common cellism. Okay, parasitism, satu untung, satu rugi. So Rafflesia is the parasitism. Separaphytism, okay, this is the type of interaction where the living organism feed on the dead organic matter for food. So the answer is C. Boleh? Okay, next. Number 25. Okay. Alright, which of the following are correct abiotic and biotic factors in a lake? So, phytoplankton, this is the bacteria. Tulis sikit. Okay. Abiotic factor. A maksudnya in science A means no. No. Bio is a living thing. So abiotics means that not a living things. Okay. So this one not a living thing. Tulis kat situ not living thing. Biotic factors, this is a living thing. So bacteria is a living thing, betul tak? So salah lah A. Temperature okay. pH okay. Guppy fish salah. So either B or C. So look at the biotic factors. pH is a non-living thing. So the answer is C. Boleh? Okay, next. 26. Okay, this one you need calculator. Okay. Diagram show a pyramid of food chain. So total energy received by the bird. So bird sini berapa? How to calculate? So you tengok sini. So bawah sekali mesti 100%. So tulis 100%. Okay. And then primary consumer, this is only 10%. Get energy 10%. Another 90% pergi mana? Loss. Okay. And then for the bird is only secondary consumer is 1%. And then 0.1%. Kalau ada atas lagi is 0.01%. So for the bird, okay, 1% daripada 9800 kilojoule, you will get berapa? You will get 98 kilojoule. Boleh? Okay, next. 27. Alright. The following show a part of nitrogen cycle. So nitrate become nitrate become nitrate. Okay, so there is a X. So what is the name for the bacteria? X. So you tengok. Okay, first saya dah tengok ribosome. Ribosome tu dekat mana? So ribosome tu are located at the root. Okay. And then next, lactobacillus. So lactobacillus tu ada dalam vitagen, ada dalam you punya yogurt. So lactobacillus are located in the small intestine. Okay. And then nitrobacteria. Okay, nitrobacter. So nitrobacter and also nitrosomonas. So ini ialah you tengok sebelah sini. Okay, we have nitrosomonas bacteria which is located from the ammonia become nitrate. So the questions dia tanya, nitrate go to nitrate. So is a nitrobacteria. So the answer is boy. Boleh? Okay, next. 28. Okay. So, which of the following caused by deforestation? So, deforestation, okay, will affect soil erosion, okay, global warming. So, bila global warming, so the rise of sea level will increase. So, the answer is 1 and 3. So, C. Boleh? Air pollution, tak ada kaitan. You dekat country yang menyebabkan air pollution tu. Okay. Alright. Next. 29. Okay. Methylene blue reaction. Okay. The data show the data show the result of the experiment to compare the quality of water. So underline the word quality of water. Okay. At two area A, P and Q. So look at the P. P is need about 120 minutes. Barulah the methylene blue decolorize. For Q, 12 minutes. Sangat cepat. Very fast. And then the methylene blue decolorize. What means by that? So you look here. Okay, there is another one test. Methylene blue reduction test. Okay, the shorter the decolorization time, it's showing that there is the higher number of bacteria. So, P and Q. So P is quite longer time, means that less bacteria. 12 minutes is very fast, means that there is a more bacteria. So the answer is apa? B. Okay, water P has less bacteria than Q. Okay, next. Question 30. Okay, TSA over V. Alright. Alright, which of the following organism have the largest total surface area? So, TSA over V. Dia tanya yang largest, yang paling besar. So, the theory there, okay, we know that you look here, ini cube yang besar, sederhana, kecil. So, besar TSA dia kecil. Okay, yang paling kecil TSA dia besar. Means that organism yang kecil TSA over V dia besar. So, which one? Donkey. The amoeba here. So that amoeba can do respiration through the through the diffusion. Okay. Sekejap. Okay, next. Sikit lagi. Okay, everybody is genius. Kenapa tak keluar slide saya? Okay, everybody is genius, but if you just a fish, okay, if you just a fish, right, if you just a fish, by its ability to climb a tree, it will believe the whole life, dia akan believe dia ialah stupid. Betul tak? Okay, next. Kenapa? Dia tak bergerak. Adakah saya terpin benda ni? Unpin. Okay. Wait. Questions number 31. Okay. So continue. Sikit lagi. Alright, diagram 16 show a bar chart, okay, concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood sample which taken from the different blood vessel. Okay, so look here. Alright, so blood sample, okay, carbon dioxide, which one? Okay, which of the label A, B, C or D blood is taken from pulmonary artery? So pulmonary artery, apa dia? Carry what oxygen? What kind of blood? Oxygen pula. Okay, deoxygenated ke ataupun oxygenated blood? Okay, so alright, we can see pulmonary artery. Sakit tangan ni. Okay, pulmonary artery. Okay, look here. Pulmonary artery is carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, deoxygenated blood. So that's why dia mestilah carbon dioxide yang paling tinggi. So the answer is C. Okay, so next. Alright. Vaccination. Okay, vaccination, right? Okay, vaccination. So which of the following involved in vaccination? Vaccination ialah, okay, kita tengok, of course lah, it involve the white blood cell. So what kind of white blood cell? So you kena identify, ada 5 jenis kan? So is a basophil. Adakah basophil? Adakah ialah is it neutrophil? Is it the eosinophil? Okay, so the answer is B. Boleh? Okay. Alright. Which is lymphocyte. Okay, B is lymphocyte. Okay. This is a red blood cell lah, salah lah. Okay. Alright, next. 33. Human heart. Okay, which of the blood vessel A, B, C or D is clogged causing heart attack? So which one akan menyebabkan heart attack? Mana? Okay, is this part. Clogged area. So the answer is donkey. Okay, next. 34. Okay, which of the following factor cause the soil water move to the leaf faster? Soil water move to the leaf faster. So which one? Okay, so okay, because of the air movement increase. Ada angin. Bila ada angin, okay, that when there is a wind, so the air movement will the soil water will move faster. Okay. Alright, next. 35, alright. This one, vertebral column. Okay. So this is what part? Which part? Okay. Okay, look here. So semua ini is a, boleh tak you kata atlas? No. Because atlas, there is no centrum. So this is a centrum, the body. So this is the vertebral column for cervical. Macam mana you tahu? You look here. Tengok sebelah sini. Okay, dia ada this is the shape macam triangle. Okay, ni ada wing. Ni pun ada wing juga. Okay. Next. Alright, this one. Which of the following organism is matched correctly to the antagonistic muscle? Antagonistic muscle means that one is contract, one will be relax. Pairing. So, tulis kat situ sikit. Antagonistic muscle, contract and relax. Okay, one muscle contract, one muscle relax. Means that involve of two muscle. So, which one is correct to use? Which is antagonistic muscle, which is used in movement. Okay, and the type of its skeleton. So, meioterm. Meioterm is in the fish. So, salah lah. Right, circular and longitudinal is for the worm. So, salah. Pectoral major and also pectoral minor, betul. But the type of skeleton, is it exoskeleton? No, salah. So the answer is A. Okay. Alright, next. 37. Okay. Neuron, type of neuron. So where is the location of this neuron in reflect arc? Okay. So, where is it? Dekat mana location dia? Okay. So, reflect arc, it involves spinal cord. Dia tak involve brain. Means that dalam spinal cord there is a white matter and also grey matter. So this is interneuron. Tulis. So interneuron is here. So this is the spinal cord. Spinal cord, the butterfly structure is known as a grey matter. Yang ini ialah white matter. I hope you remember that. Okay. So, where is the location? In the grey matter. Answer A. Okay, next. 38. Okay. Which of the following is the effect of lack of ADH secretion hormone? Okay, ADH secretion hormone. What is the effect? So, look at here. Okay. First, hypothalamus. Dekat mana hypothalamus? Hypothalamus are located in the brain. Okay, hypothalamus. Okay, under the hypothalamus there is a pituitary. So, this pituitary will release ADH hormone. Okay, so if ADH hormone increase, the releasing of the ADH hormone increase, okay, it show that, okay, your body is dehydrate, not enough water. So what will do? What this hormone will do? So this hormone will allow, okay, the kidney, okay, to absorb more water. So what more water will be absorbed? So you can see the color for the urine is yellow in color. Okay, but if the ADH less, means that your body actually enough of water or you drink too much of water. Okay, so less water will be absorbed in the kidney. Then you will notice the color for urine is is a colorless color. Okay, so which of the following effect of the lack of ADH secretion? Lack, sikit. So bila sikit, what happen? Okay, it will dilute the urine. So is it cause edema? No. Excrete small of urine, ini kalau more ADH. So salah. So the answer is C. excrete large amount of urine here. Boleh faham? Okay. Next. Ini pun kalau urine become concentrated, this one is higher releasing of ADH hormone. Boleh? Okay, next. Sikit lagi. Okay, diagram show a graph of changes of glucose level in the individual blood after eating rice. So, what is the hormone Y? So, you eat rice. Rice contain carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the end product of carbohydrate is glucose. So, of course, the glucose will spike. Dia akan tinggi. And then there is the hormone Y, help to low down the the glucose. So what is Y? Y is insulin. Okay. Next. 40. Alright, which of the following is correct when an individual is at a snowy area? Tak boleh nak pergi jalan lah. COVID. Kita duduk kat Malaysia je, so kita tak ada snowy area. Okay. So, what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Snowy area. Okay, you tengok sini. Ada tak? This one. Okay. So, bila snowy area, you punya metabolism rate will decrease or increase? Of course, metabolism rate dia perlu increase. Kenapa? Why? Because you need to remember the metabolism rate is involved of the respiration of glucose. So respiration of the glucose, the end product is to release heat. Boleh? So this heat will be used to make your body become warm. Alah, senang cerita macam ni. You makan nasi, lepas you makan nasi, you sejuk ke you panas? You rasa panas kan? Okay, walaupun you makan, janganlah makan kat aircon. Okay, you makan nasi. After this, you eat for your lunch. Okay, you will see you akan lebih panas after you eat. Because there is the metabolism rate, the respiration process. So, there is a heat produced. Okay, and then next, adrenaline secretion rate. Okay, adrenaline secretion rate also increase. Kenapa? Okay, so adrenaline increase because adrenaline will increase the metabolism rate. There is a relationship between adrenaline and also metabolism rate. If adrenaline drop, metabolism drop. If adrenaline hormone increase, metabolism rate increase. So the answer is boy. Boleh faham? Okay, next. Okay, kena trust yourself. The power of your inner. Okay, the inner you. Action. Please do take action. Tak tahu, tanya. Okay, sharing is caring. If you know something, then you share with others. And do best, okay, on your commitment. So in this case, your commitment is to study. Okay, next. Sikit lagi. Question number 41. Alright. Diagram 22 show a cross section of human brain. Okay, which part of level A, B, C or D control body temperature? So, body temperature tadi, okay, which part? Okay, so you tengok sini, bahagian sini, alright. So, this is the brain. Okay, this part yang atas ni, okay, this is the hypothalamus. So, hypothalamus control the body temperature. So, the answer is A. A is hypothalamus. Okay, tulis sikit. Hypothalamus for A. B is apa? Brain. Medulla oblongata. Okay, and then C is cerebrum. Okay, next. 42. Okay, which of the following cell is present in elongation zone? Okay, come again the questions. Elongation zone. So tadi root tip yang depan question tadi you belajar tadi kan ada root cap, elongation lah, apa semua maturation semua kan. So again come question this one. Which of the following cell is present in elongation zone? Yang mana satu yang menyebabkan the cell become longer. So you look here. So elongation zone, okay, actually, alright, look here, the blue color is represent as a vacuole. So vacuole diffuse, okay, the water diffuse into the vacuole. Dia akan masuk banyak water, so the the vacuole expand. So the answer, which one is showing the vacuole, is a C. This one lah, vacuole. This one, bukan. This one, xylem fluid. Boleh? Okay, next, 43. Okay, the statement is referred to the condition during pregnancy. Underline the word pregnancy. Okay, from third month until a mother safely deliver without experience a miscarriage. Okay, which of the following hormone moves in the mother's blood? So, bila pregnant, tengok graf ni. Okay, what are the hormone? We know that in the menstrual cycle there is 4 hormone involved. Okay, and what is the hormone that will maintain throughout the pregnancy is the hormone progesterone. Why? Because the function of the hormone progesterone to make the uterine lining, the endometrium, become thicker and thicker, so it can hold the fetus. Okay, and also progesterone inhibit the FSH and LH. That's why 9 months of pregnancy there is no period. Okay, so the answer is boy. Okay, next, 44. Sikit lagi. Diagram 23 show a production of sperm after meiosis 2. Okay, and then alright, which is the disease can be related if sperm fertilized with ovum, with normal ovum. So kita tengok sperm dekat Y ni 24 is not normal. Okay, so dia fertilize this not normal sperm, 24 chromosome, which is contain 24 chromosome, fertilized with normal ovum. So dia akan jadi more, it will having more than normal chromosome lah. Sorry, it will have extra one chromosome. Okay. Okay. So what will happen? So Down syndrome, you look at the chromosome number 21, extra. So the answer is A. Hemophilia, this one. Cannot, the blood cannot clot. Turner syndrome, okay, is about sex chromosome, which is only one sex chromosome, X. Albinism, this one. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, next, 45. Alright, structure of flower, which group of structure produce gamete? So, gamete, which one? Mana satu yang produce gamete is the S and also is the P. Okay, boy. Alright, next, 46. Karyotype of individual, which of the following show the number of chromosome in gamete produced by the individual? So, berapa? Karyotype, you dah belajar hari tu kan? Saya ajar itu. Karyotype is the 22. This is karyotype. Macam mana nak tulis? 22 plus XY. Macam tu. Boleh faham? So, dia tanya, which of the following show the number of chromosome in a gamete? So, dia confusekan you dekat sini. Gamete. So, boleh tak tulis XY? Mesti tulis satu je. Okay? X atau Y. So, the answer is boy. Boleh faham? Because gamete should be half lah. Okay. Next. Question number 47. Okay, this one. Alright. Schematic diagram for the blood group in a family. Okay, father, mother. So, father is group A. So, group A has two possible, AA or AO. Okay, and then the mother is a group B. Okay, mother group B. Selamat silap. B, BB or BO. Okay, father AA or AO. Sekarang ni tengok anak dia ialah group O. So means that can this become A? No. Can this become B? No. Should be both OO. Okay, boleh faham? So Dia tanya, which of the following is correct? So, P. Okay, for the P, okay, P mestilah yang ada O. So, BO. P is BO. Boleh faham? And then process Y is a meiosis process. Dekat bukan fertilization is a meiosis. Okay. And then Q, father dia mestilah gamet dia mestilah carry O. Sebabnya anak dia darah O. So the answer is C. Okay, next. Second last one. Alright. Table show duration of 20 students in the same class. Right? Which of the following is correct explanation about the trait? Okay. So, okay, we can see that, okay, this number of students and also kita sedang buat, we are using height. So, right, from this one, the trait is the height. So, height can form a normal distribution graph. This one. Boleh? Height, normal distribution graph. Okay, next. Which of the following defects are caused by gene mutation? So, which one? Okay, albinism, yes. Okay, gene mutation because of the recessive allele. Hemophilia, yes, because of the recessive allele juga. Down syndrome, okay, Down syndrome is a chromosome mutation. This is chromosome mutation. Klinefelter syndrome, also chromosome mutation. So, dia tanya ialah gene mutation. We have two type of mutation, isn't it? Gene and chromosome. So, the answer is A. Okay. And then last one, okay. The statement show the effect of environmental factor on variation. Okay. The plant, okay, the plant's hydrangea microphylla species produce two color of flower, either pink or blue. The color of flower is determined by soil pH. Okay, which of the following explain the situation? Alright, so look here. Okay, soil pH. Okay, for the acidic, it will cause blue flower. Okay, alkaline, pink flower. So the answer, okay, kalau alkaline should be pink. So A salah lah. Alkaline should be pink. So betul. Neutral, tak ada. Okay. Acid, it should be blue. So the answer is boy. Okay, so hopefully we can pass 100% in Biologi SPM 2020, which is next year. Okay, so any questions before I end up this class? Ada apa-apa soalan tak?